The Mecklenburg County Medical Examiner states Shanquella Robinson was assaulted and killed on the morning of October 29, 2022 at approximately 7 to 7:30 a.m. The examiner's office says that further examination reveals that the brain was transected from the spinal cord just below the brainstem. Spinal cord transection is a complete interruption of nerve roots in the spinal cord. It is caused by a significant traumatic injury and leads to permanent loss of central control of motor sensory functions, resulting in the loss of spinal cord integrity, and is the clinical equivalent to complete transection. In other words, internal decapitation of the brain from the neck. The examiner's office states that Shanquella went back to her room after the attack. This was medically impossible for Shanquella to get up and walk after this grave injury. The examiner's office also states that Shanquella suffered a subgaleal hemorrhage, which is bleeding between the skull and the scalp. Injury is a result of vicious blows to the head. So what does this all mean? It means that the U.S. autopsy and the Mexican autopsy list the same injury in different terms. U.S. autopsy states brain transection. Mexican autopsy states atlas luxation. All equates to damage to the neck and spine, resulting in the death of Shanquella Robinson, as shown in the video. The death certificate is the official document listing the cause of death for Shanquella Robinson as severe spinal cord injury and atlas luxation. Yet, Mecklenburg County Medical Examiner Dr. Thomas Owens states the cause of death is undetermined. They got it wrong.
Okay. Quilla, can you at least fight back?
No.
At least something. At least fight back, something.
Get up, bro. Get up.
Yeah.